What's going on, everybody? Oops. Sorry for the crappy video quality and probably the crappy audio quality. I've never used the camera or the microphone on my MacBook Pro before. Um, it is what it is. I am in Dallas and I'm at the Hyatt Regency right next to the airport. And, uh, for $150 a night, not really impressed with the hotel. I've been in better for less. But breakfast was absolutely amazing, as it should be, because it was almost $100 for breakfast. Someone tried to kill us yesterday on the highway. Now, I don't know what highway it was. We were exploring Dallas. We left from the airport, drove out there, and we were just going to look around Dallas, and we decided not to get out. We actually turned around and came back. But on the way back from Dallas to the airport, where some highways merge into each other, an SUV crossed 4 lanes of traffic, cutting us off. And I mean, if I had not hit the brakes, he would have crammed into us. He jumped over a median once he flew in front of us. His SUV jumped over this median, and it was like Dukes of Hazzard. Just boom, boom, boom. You saw dirt and debris flying everywhere, and then he just got onto the other highway and kept going. This place, let me tell you, not to piss off anybody from Dallas, I think Dallas is beautiful. At least what I got to see of it was beautiful. When we drove around downtown last night, is like we didn't want to get out of the car. But beautiful city, guys. I love your city. But what is it with the drivers out here? It's like people are doing 90 and 100 miles an hour. I'm driving a Prius, guys. I'm in a Prius, okay? People are doing like 90, 100 miles an hour, just boom, 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 cutting people off. No turn signals. People, we need to use turn signals. Helps prevent accidents. I'm telling you, if that SUV had hit the front of my Prius, oh my God, I don't want to think what would have happened. I don't. It was terrifying. That experience was terrifying. And let me tell you, the guy in the SUV, you would have thought he would have like been freaked out, pulled over on the side of the road, and like, oh my God, I don't know what happened. But he just kept on going, kept on trucking like nothing happened. Forget the pieces of the SUV that were flying out from under. He just kept on down the highway. Scary, scary stuff. I'm going to have to get out of here. I just wanted to give you guys an update as to what's going on. I'm about to head back to Oklahoma City here soon. There most likely will not be a car video today. Sorry about that. But like I said, there's some important family stuff that we're dealing with and taking care of down here in Dallas. That scary experience I wanted to bring to your attention. Say big shout out to all of you Dallas people that are watching, Texans. Thank you for watching the channel, as for the rest of you too. But since I'm in their home state, I want to give a shout out to them. The Prius. I don't know if I really want to do any work to the spark plugs or anything else now. We probably still will anyway, but the Prius got 48.2 mile or 48.3, I think, miles a gallon down here. It's only rated at 42 on the interstate. So it did that, and it was 104 degrees in Texas yesterday, and that was with my air conditioning on, and we spent some time idling because we had to sit through a thunderstorm. There'll be a video of that beautiful thunderstorm that I captured some footage of coming in the future. But wow, very impressed with the Prius. Very impressed. We're still over half a tank, and I don't think we'll have to get gas before we turn around and go home. Ooh, sorry about the noise. All right, guys, I got to get out of here. I appreciate you guys watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you all soon in the next one.